Imagine a world where laptops, the devices we've relied on for decades, become obsolete. A world where portability, power, and productivity are taken to an entirely new level. Sounds impossible? Think again, because right now, a wave of breakthrough technologies is quietly reshaping the future of personal computing, and the laptop, as we know it, may soon become a relic of the past. In today's video, we're diving deep into the innovations that are set to replace laptops forever, and you'll want to know about them before everyone else. 1. The evolution of laptops and the need for change. First, why is the traditional laptop model facing extinction? When laptops first hit the mainstream, they revolutionized mobility. But today, despite upgrades, laptops still face major limitations. Bulky compared to modern possibilities. Battery life is better, but still limiting. The form factor hasn't evolved much in decades. Meanwhile, user expectations have exploded. We now demand seamless cloud integration, constant connectivity, and ultra-portability. This pressure is driving new devices that outpace laptops in nearly every way. 2. Foldable and rollable displays. Foldable and rollable display tech is leading the charge. We've already seen phones that fold into tablets. Now, companies like Samsung and TCL are developing rollable PCs, thin, flexible devices you can carry like a scroll, then expand into a full workspace. Advantages? No hinges or bulky frames. Larger screens in smaller packages. Flexible workflows for work, creativity, and entertainment. Because they lean on cloud processing and AI, these devices don't need massive internal hardware, another nail in the laptop's coffin. 3. Cloud computing and virtual desktops. Cloud computing is another game changer. Services like Azure Virtual Desktop and Google's Chrome OS Flex let you stream full desktops from the cloud, meaning your files, apps, and even processing power live online. Instead of buying expensive laptops, users move toward lightweight hardware that accesses massive cloud resources. It's cheaper, more secure, and future-proof. This model is no longer just for businesses. It's coming for consumers too. 4. Wearable computing devices. Then there's wearable computing. Companies like Apple, Meta, and startups are betting on AR glasses, wearable PCs, and even brain-computer interfaces. Imagine AR glasses projecting a workspace in front of you. No screen, no physical keyboard, just gestures, voice, and thought. Apple's Vision Pro hints at this future, and it's only the beginning. As devices get lighter, cheaper, and smarter, the need for traditional laptops fades fast. 5. AI-powered smart devices. AI is accelerating the shift even more. Today's AI agents like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Copilot are becoming proactive digital assistants. Soon, small AI-driven devices will handle your tasks without the need for heavy software or manual setups. Combine AI with cloud computing, and personal devices become dramatically smaller but far more capable. The laptop's once necessary local horsepower simply won't be needed anymore. 6. Modular devices and pocket computers. Modular and pocket-sized computers are another piece of the puzzle. Framework and similar companies are pushing modular designs. Meanwhile, startups are developing wallet-sized computers that dock into any screen or device wirelessly. Instead of lugging a laptop, you'll carry a tiny computer and tap into nearby hardware when needed. Hyper-portable, customizable, and efficient, exactly what modern users crave. 7. The roadblocks ahead. Of course, big changes bring challenges. Foldable tech is expensive and fragile. Cloud computing needs strong internet everywhere, which isn't universal yet. Wearables raise privacy concerns, and AI requires trust in data sharing. But like smartphones in the early 2000s, mass adoption will likely be inevitable once costs drop and reliability improves. Will laptops vanish overnight? No, but they will become niche devices, used mostly for specialized tasks. The majority of users will shift to foldables, wearables, cloud devices, and AI systems that deliver more power with less bulk. The transition is happening faster than most realize. If you want to stay ahead, start paying attention now, because the future of personal computing is unfolding right before our eyes, and it's leaving the laptop behind. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next wave of tech that's about to change everything again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future.